The 2013 Buick LaCrosse. This four-door, five-passenger sedan leads among competitors in its segment. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, heated seats, front dual-zone air conditioning, front fog lights, turn signal indicator mirrors, and a split folding rear seat. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.